Hello, myself is Dr. C.V. Pawar, Professor and Head Department of Zoology, Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Umarga. Friends, today we will see paper number 8, that is the genetics second. So this paper is specially for BSc second year students of their semester third. In this paper, there are 5 chapters such as gene and its expression, then population genetics, human genetics, microbial genetics, and genetic engineering. So these are the 5 chapters comes under this paper, that is genetics second. So we will see paper, in this paper we will see the chapter number first, that is the gene and its expression. In this chapter there are 2 clear-cut parts. First part is about gene and second part is about its expression. That's why name has given to this chapter, that is the gene and its expression. As and when you got the information about the gene, means the definition of gene and what is the gene, actually all the detailed information about the gene. Then in second part you will have to know about its a process of expression, or how the genes or the characters express in the next generation. So all this information comes under the chapter, that is the gene and its expression. Now what is gene? So in simple word you may define as it is the structural and functional unit of heredity. So again, what is heredity? So heredity is nothing but it is the transfer of characters from one generation to other generation, or in simple word, transfer of the characters from parent. These characters transfer into their offsprings or their child. So this is a very simple definition. Then in case of gene, again each and every character is having a special or particular type of the gene. Means without gene there is no any type of the characters. Means each and every character possesses a special or particular type of the gene. Now in second thing, the gene along with one enzyme. So each character is having one gene as well as one enzyme to complete the reaction, to complete the process. Means the actually what is the gene and after expression of the gene. So these are the 2 different processes there. The gene is defined as it is the segment of DNA which is responsible for the inheritance as well as expression of the particular characters, or it is also defined as the gene, it is a segment of DNA and give instruction for synthesis of a particular type of the protein or particular type of the RNA. So this is necessary for production of a particular type of the characters by means of a special type of the protein. So this is the simple definition of the gene. The Mendel, who was the first to give the name of the gene as a unit character, or he termed that characters as a factor. Later on, John Johnson in 1909 he has coined the name, that is the gene. So the word gene actually coming from the genesis. So genesis means the to be born. So this word. Now we will see about the characters of the genes. So genes are the fundamental unit of heredity, variation, mutation, and that of the evolution. Means genes are having a capability to transfer the characters from parent to their offsprings or their child. Then another character, that is the the genes they are present in the chromosomes, and these genes they are also having their specific position into the chromosomes, or they occupy a certain place in the chromosomes. So this position is known as the locus. Then the shape or their nature, or what type of nature is there, or how they live, how they stay. So in that instance, so genes are they are serially arranged, or they are present in a linear order. They are present in a linear order in the chromosomes. Then another point is they are in position to express their character with the help of synthesis of a particular type of the protein. Now this protein is responsible to inherit or the transfer the characters from one generation to other types of the generation is there. Then another point is there, the genes they are having a great capability to produce themselves as a duplicate copy, and such types of the position, such types of the process is known as the replication. Now the genes they stay together in a double manner, or in a group manner. So not a single gene can express itself, but along with another gene it is having a capability of expressing its character. So when they live together, there are the two types of the genes are there for the two different characters. So here, even though they live together, but they do not mix with each other, means independently they are present in a particular type of the trait. So such types of condition is known as the alleles. So alleles for the two different characters, means one character from the parent as well as the another character from the mother. So parent means the mother and father, so one character from the father as well as one character from the mother. So this condition is known as the alleles. Then second case, beside this single allele, there are more than one alleles. There are more than one alleles, or there are more than the two alleles. So such condition is known as the multiple alleles. Now here, even though they are having the multiple alleles, but at the time of recognition there are only one allele is present in a single type of the individual. So this condition occur when there is a condition obeyed, that is the dominance and the recessive. So these two conditions are obeyed by means of a single type of the alleles is there. Then another character is there during the time of expression, or during the time of this procedure for the production of or synthesis of a particular protein, there are little bit changes occur in this particular allele. So such changes they are known as the mutation. So mutations occur during the time of the presence of the certain types of the composition. So there is little bit change in the composition. So at that particular time the condition occur that is known as the mutation. Then another point is there they are having the sudden change. So sudden change is known as the, as I told you, that is the mutation. And whatever the new allele formed, or whatever the new allele formed after the changing, so such types of condition is known as the mutants are there. Then there are number of genes present in a single type of the individuals, means even though the number is fixed, number is so less, but the presence of genes, or actually the amount or in the number of genes are little bit larger. So in case of our human being, their number is counted near about the 40,000 genes are present in a on the 23rd type of the chromosomes. Totally we are having the 23rd pairs of chromosomes. Total 46 chromosomes are there. So on that particular region they are located, such a huge number of the genes are there. Then another point is there is a a gene is a segment of DNA which explain after the synthesis of one enzyme or one polypeptide chain coded in the language of the the nitrogenous bases or the nucleotides. So these are the some characters of the genes. Then we will now we will see about the concept of gene or the modern concept of gene. In 1955, Seymour Benjamin introduced three terms, that is the cistron, muton and the recon. So these terms introduced by these scientists. Now we will see the first. So out of these three, the main important, that is the cistron is there. So it is the segment of DNA having information about the synthesis of a particular protein or the RNA is there. So this part is actually importance in the expressing the characters or the actually the expression of gene is done in this particular portion. Then as it has a larger in size, so the number of nucleotides is also little bit large, or the large number of the nucleotides are present in this particular portion, that is the cistron. Then second one is the muton. So what is muton? So muton is, it is the segment of DNA which undergoes the process of mutation. So it is, as compared to the cistron, this is the smaller part. So the number of nucleotides present in this muton, that is the 1 to few in number. Then another one is the recon. So it is a segment of DNA which participate in a process of recombination along through the crossing over during the time of the meiosis. Then this portion is having the number of nucleotides, that is the say from the few to the more, or few to the more type of the nucleotides are there. So beside these three parts, there are again two portions are there, say operon and the replication. So operon, it is again a part there is a taking part in a process and forming the operator gene. So in this case it is having the operator gene, that is the structural gene as well as the sequence of structural genes, and when they come together act as a special type of the unit. So formation of unit, this operon is the important there. Then nextly there is the replication. So replication, it is used in the process of the replication. Whenever there is a process of replication, this much portion is quite important. So this is the some parts of this gene, or the you may call it as a again the concept of gene. After this we will see the function of gene. While studying the function of gene, the gene plays a very important role because it determines the physical as well as the physiological characters of an organism, and that much character is now ready to transfer towards the next generation. So this is the one of the most important characters, or one of the important function of the gene is there. Then another one is the genes, they are also control the phenotypes of the offsprings, including both, that is the structural as well as the functional characters there. Then the genes undergoes the process of mutation to produce the polymorphism as well as the variations. The mutations are also associated with the metabolic disorders, also inborn error in the metabolism. Then the genes also plays an important role in the process of aging. Likewise, the genes, they are also giving code, or they code to the different types of the RNAs other than the mRNA, that is the rRNA and the tRNA. Then the genes, they are also responsible to produce a special type of the cancer. So cancer is also being produced by means of genes only. Then another the point is there, that is the genes are control the functioning of the luxurious types of the genes are there. Now they produce cellular differentiation during the process of the development of the cell. So these are the some few important what you say the functions of the genes. So likewise we have covered all these points in the chapter number first, that is the introduction. In the introduction about the gene is there, or in the specific, that is the gene and its expression. I think this is sufficient for this chapter. Thank you very much.